Let me show you how to install a screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I currently have a screen protector already on, but it's cracked a bit, so I need to replace it. So first, what you want to do is you want to get a complete clean screen on your phone. What I suggest to do is simply take like a very clean, like fresh piece of cloth, and you simply want to wipe your screen completely clean. So when you actually wipe it, you'll see there will be quite a bit of dust pieces. So we essentially want to get rid of all the smudges from the screen and all the dust pieces. Also, I suggest to maybe take also a bit of IPA or alcohol that basically dries fast, and you can simply spray down your display first to basically remove any smudges and properly clean it. So you see how nice it looks like. And again, you want to look for any fine dust particles. So basically that is the enemy of screen protectors. So if you have like tiny bit of dust particles, so you see, for example, still one over here. So simply like really try to blow it off and simply observe if your phone is completely clean. So again, it has to be absolutely pristine. If it's not, we are going to see basically small bubbles basically in the screen protector. After that, know that your screen is completely clean without any dust particles. We want to take our screen protector and understand which one is the front. So you see, usually they will have this kind of stickers. So let's see if we can peel this off. So this will be the inside. So this is the inside and this is the outside. So we are going to need to stick it like that. And again, before you stick, again, verify it's completely clean without any dust particles. So you see one just landed, so I'll simply blow it off. Okay. And then as you see on your screen protector, you have the cutout for the camera. So we want to see where we have the camera cutout on the phone itself. And we are going to basically start at that area. So that's probably the easiest way. Also, before you actually remove this protector, you can also like simply try it on how it will be. So simply practice a bit if you want to get the best fit. So as you see, I will simply then peel this off, the protector. Again, hold like this so no dust particles actually get on it. And then starting at the camera, I will see where I have the camera also on my phone there. So simply drop this first on, as this, so you see only the edges, and then kind of see if it's more or less straight. Okay, and then should be good to go. So you see it simply drops on. Let's verify that it's good. So yep, you see basically it attaches itself to the screen. Okay, so you see what happens in the corners. We have small bubble marks here still remaining. So what we can do is we can simply take our finger and simply try to lift the screen up a bit. Or also we can maybe like rub it. Maybe take like a piece of cloth here. Okay, so yeah, just a little piece of cloth. And simply rub it. If it doesn't work, again, you can simply lift up your screen protector a tiny bit and drop it down once more. And it should get rid of all the bubble marks underneath. Okay. So simply verify if it's okay everywhere. And looks absolutely perfect. So you see on the corner here, it appears I still had maybe like a piece of like dust particles. So again, that's why it's so important to basically get rid of these dust particles. So yeah, so let's see, not perfect example. Okay, maybe perfect example because again, yeah, as you can see, if you do not actually remove all the dust, so this is what it will look like. So there was a tiny bit of dust particle left. But yeah, apart from that, as you see, very easy. Just again make sure it's completely clean before you apply it. Good luck.